Because the apples are wonderful in the orchard, I'm going to make an apple crisp with really good vanilla ice cream. It's 5 pounds of apples. Sounds like a lot, but they really cook down. Okay, that's the apples, and now I'm just going to flavor them. So I love to use citrus with apples. So I'm going to use the zest and the juice of 1 orange and 1 lemon. So some juice. Love the spice of lemon. And then the juice. Want it a little bit sweet, but not too sweet. 1/2 cup of sugar. A little bit of cinnamon. Not too much, because it can really overpower it. A little bit of nutmeg, because I love it. I just want it piled really high. 3/4 cup of brown sugar. I think it gives it a really good flavor. A cup of oatmeal. I use really good sort of Irish quick cooking oats. Whatever you have around is fine. It's going to bake for 3 degrees for about an hour, and it's going to make the house smell wonderful, and we're going to have a fabulous dessert.